The modern manufacturing shop floor struggles with a daunting list of disruptive challenges like hyperautomation, sustainability initiatives, supply chain complexities, and the overall shift to smart factories. To meet these challenges, it's time to digitally transform from inefficient paper-based processes and outdated legacy systems. The Mendix low-code application development platform is the quickest and easiest way to reimagine your entire manufacturing shop floor. It starts by helping to dig you out from under a mountain of paperwork, a key first step on the digitization journey. Next, Mendix low-code augments your existing investments in manufacturing systems and processes, letting you extend your business process needs with a personalized user experience, boosting the pace at which digitization can take place. Since everyone on the shop floor, the machine operator, the production operator, the shift supervisor, has unique responsibilities, who better to create the personalized applications to support those responsibilities than the people who will be using them? Low-code is the simple solution to a complex problem. Mendix starter templates are easy for your shop floor team to use, even with little to no previous development experience. Low-code templates provide adaptability by allowing your team to adjust generic capabilities that are common in the industry to your specific processes. Mendix low-code also brings mobile access to everyday tasks, allowing remote inspection of the shop floor when it's not convenient or safe to perform on-site inspections. What are you waiting for? Step into the future with the Mendix low-code development platform to maximize the value of core manufacturing systems, harmonize IT structure, capture and share internal expertise, update legacy systems, and create sustainable replacement strategies. Contact Mendix to learn more about how we can take you to the next step in digitizing your shop floor. Mendix, reimagining manufacturing.